Hello, hello, everyone. We are back again with another fun Ashanti tree lesson. And today's word is it's not even a word. Let's say today's phrase is one of my favorite phrase. And you know what? It's the holiday season. So if you keep using it to your husband, to your mother, to your father, you never know. You get a good Christmas gift, but that's not bribery. It's just making them feel good. And do you know what the word is? I'm sure you can guess now. I've given you enough clue. It is medo. Medo. There are so many songs in Ghana about medo. Medo, I think that the number, I wish I can play it. Medo. And Korean Tree, they always sing about love songs and all that. And the word today is I love you. You can say that to your children. I love you. Boo boo. I love you. Boo. I love you. Do. Okay? So the word is love is do or do. Do or do. And then when we say I love you, we say it me do wo. I love you. Me do wo. I love you. Me do. Okay? Me do wo. Don't stand him. It's not me do wo. Me do. It's me do wo. Me do wo. Okay? Repeat it. Me do wo. And you can use anyone's name. Like if you're trying to say to your mom, you can say me do wo mama. Medo, mama, and mama medo, or to your dad, pap. Some people say daddy medo, daddy medo, or papa medo. People say papa in Ghana as well, papa medo, and I say daddy medo. Don't you think when you say that, your daddy will be so happy and you might get a nice Christmas gift? Or you say to your husband, Medofo, Medowododo, Medofo, Medowo. My husband, I love you. Okay? Mikunu Medowo. But our focus is just, I love you. Medowo. So let's say it again. Medowo. Me. I love you all. So thanks for listening today. Practice. Keep listening, keep playing until you feel comfortable with the pronunciation. It's all about how you pronounce it for people in Ghana when you go there to know you can speak it or understand you. So say medowo, okay? Medowo, all of you, and take care. Have a blessed one. Bye bye.